I try to describe how very much, but it's honestly it's like it's like a town, conservative Christian town in nowhere, USA. The first time I met him was on the playground. He saw me sitting alone under a tree and he would ask if I wanted.
Huwag nyo na yung kunin yung ano ko ha. Kasi yun na ang tanghalian na hapunan ko. Itong week.
Nandiyan ka?
Akin na nga yung pang spray kay Atin.
Spray?
Baba.
Gaganda yung sa ba't sarapan ng mukha nila?
Dapat tuloy.
Carbs to, mama. Carbohydrate. Ay, carbohydrate. Ah. Ano to? Carbs to, no, ma? Carbs. Shortened of carbohydrate. Pakinggan.
Baba. Baba.
Bakit ba? Ano, sir, to?
Nanood lang ako.
Ako lang ha. Kaya mahal mo.
Ba? Lang.
Known for its translucent glow that seems to bleed under light. When sunlight hits fine jade, it appears as if mist and light are trapped beneath the surface. Moving like clouds inside stone. Across Asia, jade became known as the stone of heaven. In Gambling halls of old Macau and Hong Kong, small carved jade charms were carried out.
Ay! Aray! Ang sakit!
Believers claim jade
Alcohol nga! Alcohol ka, Plen!
Wala. Wala na alcohol.
Ket, alcohol, Ket, pe!
global market, jade remains one of the few gemstones valued as much for its spiritual energy as its beauty. Fine Burmese jadeite can reach
Abot!
$5,000 to $40,000 per carat, and imperial quality pieces even more. But ask any old gangster, they'll tell you it's real worth can't be measured in money. It lies in the way it makes your hands steady when everything is unbalanced. So next time you see a simple green stone or pawn shop or market stall, don't underestimate it. That could be the same kind of jade that once started
Baba!
emeralds and gambling
Baba!
and ruin.
Baba!
Tell me,
Baba!
if fortune had a guardian
Baba! 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 Baba!
made of jade, share the story in your favorite song or love song. Because perhaps the first step is simply being detected not believed.
Tinali ko na ulit.
Damit nandun. Kerbil, kunin mo yon.
Ikaw? Dalawa lang. Sabi mo madami, di ba?
Bakit maraming tissue dyan?
Madami daw!
Kaya nga, bakit may mga tissue dyan? Ha?
Ba't ako?
Huwag na kayong gumamit ng tissue, ha? Alis na.
Okay na yan?
Sige na.
And the inside, I'm white. And the outside, dito, white ako. Dito, medyo na, ano ako. White daw! Oo na naman talaga. Hindi yun white. White naman talaga yun ah. Nangangampas palagi si ate. Hindi ako
Saglit lang.
Oh. Nabasaan? Pwede ito ma.
Oh, yan na. I-arrange mo yung mga sapatos dyan mamaya, ah.
May basahan na?
Kuha kayo ng kuha. Di naman yung ina-arrange, eh. Dito mo na, dasal mo na, Kerbel.
Fuel persistence. That moment when, instead of folding, you bet once more.
Tama rin sila kain.
Because sometimes
Hindi
the
nyo
universe
pinakain na
rewards
to?
not the luckiest hand,
Wala?
but the one that refuses to stop learning. Even
Inhit-
modern metaphysicists
inhit siya.
call on it a recess.
Bakit?
Said to draw energy up from the earth's
Inabot niya si Teo
and
na
infuse
lalaki
it into the
mo.
river's bloodstream. When the night feels long and the odds feel cold, that red glow
Yeah.
Try niyang ano yun.
the flame of fortune
Inaana-ana pa.
naturally dies. It just waits for
Tapos,
you to reignite.
itry ng anak-anak.
So tell me, is it
Hayaan mo nga sila.
chance or is
Si
it
Teo man yung babae lang.
share this story of your favorite gemstone
Hindi na ako.
platform,
Pero kawawa
or
si
send it to
Teo.
someone who needs a spark to rise again.
Magkapatid mo yan sila.
It isn't a stone of
Hindi yun
chance.
magkapatid, magkapinsan talaga.
Ah, pinsan.
Rank number 3, citrine.
Ay, I love
Stone of
citrine.
golden fortune high in the mountains
But
of
I love
Israel,
garnet.
where sunlight seeps through cracks of ancient quartz veins.
Kaya may
lies a
kontra ka.
gemstone that seems to attract the warmth of the sun itself. Citrine. Golden, glowing,
Matamis.
and forever tied to prosperity. It has long been called the
May dapat eh.
a talisman said to
Ano
attract
ba sa inyo apple?
dreams and fortune that doesn't fade.
Mm.
For gamblers and traders alike, citrine isn't a stone of chance. It's a stone of momentum,
Hindi.
turning
Alam mo.
strong into lasting success.
Matamis? Ano ba?
Archaeologists have traced
Sobra?
its earliest use back to Greece nearly 2,000 years
Pero,
ago.
since may sugar naman to, pero healthy sugar is
In battle. But it was the merchants of many
Hindi naman din pwede na wala kang sugar.
they placed
Kasi ang sugar, i-born yan to energy.
these and warded off loss.
then
Some gamblers
Lahat ng kinakain natin may sugar.
even wore
may
their gold
glucose,
rings
yes.
on their right hand, whispering, "Let the
Pero yung artificial sugar ba?
Unlike other
Binabawal.
gemstones,
Ay, bawal yun.
its sunny color from
Mahirap
pale
tanggal
honey
yung art.
to amber
Pag sobra atang sa art
symbolizes energy that flows freely, unblocked
Pero,
by fear or hesitation.
hindi naman may
Underlight
sugar sa
burns
mata
with a
sa
subtle
ano
green
yung
fire that seems to move as you turn it, as if alive with the pulse of fortune itself. Scientists call it a variety of quartz infused with iron, but mystics say it's sunlight.
Nawala yung
Mapayat
citrin
ako
ko.
naman.
Most of the world's citrine comes from Brazil, Madagascar, and the Ural Mountains of Russia. Natural
Nawala
springs
yung
are rare.
citrin ko.
Their hues soft and balanced, while heat-treated varieties show the deep orange glow that collectors love. Regardless of source, genuine citrin has one unmistakable trait. It feels warm to the touch. as
Tumaba
though
daw siya.
carried by a flame. In the metaphysical world, citrine is
Kapag
believed to
pots,
amplify optimism,
pag hawakan mo,
focus,
bisilin mo
and
ba?
self-belief.
Matigas siya.
Three
Kapag
things every gambler needs more than luck itself.
ano naman,
It's said
Stock
to
of-
dispel
anong tawag
the
doon?
energy of
Fluid?
scarcity, replacing it with
Sodium.
confidence and clear
yung
intuition.
sodium, parang
Mindset
slimy
where
kapag
luck actually
pipisilin
lands.
mo.
In
So,
casinos
dito
and trading
banda,
floors alike,
pots
some keep a
dito.
small
Pero may
gold
Jordan
stone
pa
in their
no.
pocket. Not
Hindi
as
nakalata yung Jordan
superstition,
ko.
but as a symbol. The reminder that wealth begins
Dito, pots na may halong fluid. Ay ano, sodium, pots. Tas,
Saan mo
dito
natutunan
sa-
yan?
Sodium. Sa ano, YouTube, tas TikTok.
YouTube at saka TikTok.
Bakit? Kasi nga, kasi kaya ano, katulad ng mga bata ngayon, nanonood ng mga brain rots, ganyan, hindi ko yung pinapanood. Kasi, ano naman, matatalino sa akin. Ay, may matalino talaga, like, ano, nakakasagot ng iron winner. Despite that, parang ako yung may responsibilidad sa mga ano nila. Since ako yung nagko-correct, ganyan, ako yung nagsasuggest. Bago sila, medyo kabaya.
Bakit pabaya sila?
Ano ba kayo mga bala ba? Like medyo careless, ganyan. Pabaya o careless. Tapos, kasabi sila minsan I mean na hindi maayos, hindi gaano, seryoso kapag seryoso ka usapin. Ganun. Ganun ba? Hindi maayos. Pero, well, mahalata mo lang.
Iyan, nai-aftertaste siya. Matamis na maasim.
Weh,
Ito naman, matamis lang talaga.
mas gusto ko yung matamis na maasim. Kasi yun na. Ito rin short.
Welcome to hold this moral stance, this philosophical stance, but it's not biblical.
Dami kong i-edit niya.
Absolutely be a Christian choice.
Its geometric shape so perfect they seem
April
engineered
5th,
for design.
you've been given the opportunity
Workers'
to
clouds often that from flawless pure to a radiant fact.
You're calling me a liar, I'm calling you a bitch.
If you would love that. If you believe luck favors those who dare, share this story in your favorite gemstone or fortune
Liliana is
teller.
doing so.
Because pirate
The
might
title
just
is
remind
Step by
someone that
Step.
sometimes
But it's not going to be a
the
walk.
smartest gamble
This is the
is
most
believing
terrifying
you
dog
won.
ever rescued. This is Scout. We brought him like 3 weeks ago, and honestly, we still don't know if it's even possible to help the dog shut down. Scout is always but we refuse to give up on him. So this is the first time we brought Scout home. He shut down in the corner, but we did manage to get him into his crate. Unfortunately, in a way, we
Rank
didn't
number
want to.
1, Alexandrite, the gem that changes
He
fortune.
spent the first 3 days in his crate, but when he did eventually come out, we figured this is the best time for him to try and beat all our dogs.
Once uncovered a stone that seemed alive. A gem that changes very color with the turn of light. By day,
Am I the asshole for sitting on my husband's lap during Thanksgiving dinner
they
because
named it
all chairs at the
Alexandrite
table were
after the czar.
No!
But to those who
Why?
what if the breathtaking precision of the perfectly fitted polygonal block
What a power plant.
Iwan mo na yun. Sila nang bahala.
Madali nga lang naman doon.
Fill up ka lang naman pangalan mo.
Maraming kasing tao. Mas marami.
Paano na lang pala kung doon sa sa Vista Mall sa ngayong Lunes. Sobrang dami.
Marami din yan. Ay, schedule na sila. Mayroon doong di ko lang na-surat eh.
Oh?
Yung ngayon sinabi ko nga di ba magdala yung maga?
Schedule, ikutin lang buong Taguig. Punta daw sila dito sa Dreamland yata.
Dreamland naman sila. Dami din dyan.
Tatlong lugar lang naman nakalagay ito sa
Ha?
Tatlong lugar lang nakalagay sa Sa...
Naghapon na ako tulog.
Ang daming napuntahan.
Tapos ako rin mag-isang magpulog. Lagay niyo yung ano,